This 2018 Keystone Montana 3931FB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 40 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bath, full wall slide, kitchen island, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Keystone Montana 3931FB is 13,586 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.